This is Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to decode your Whirlpool appliance's serial number to determine the age of the appliance. These instructions apply to brands manufactured by Whirlpool, which include Amana, Maytag, KitchenAid, Jenn Air, Estate, Roper, and some Kenmore models. A couple of quick notes before we get started. Maytag, Amana, and Jenn Air models must be manufactured after 2006 when Maytag was acquired by Whirlpool. For Kenmore models, you can use the first 3 digits of your model number to determine if it was manufactured by Whirlpool. In order to determine the age of your Whirlpool appliance, you'll first need to locate the model and serial number tag. You can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, for common locations to find your tag. First, let's examine the serial number. The first character of the serial number is the manufacturing division code. The second character indicates the year the appliance was manufactured. The letter or number acting as the second character on your model tag correlates with this chart. Find your character and compare it to the adjacent year. Our second character is A, which indicates the fridge was manufactured in 2021. The third and fourth digit indicate the week the appliance was manufactured. Ours reads 24, which means the appliance was manufactured the 24th week of 2021. The 5th through 9th digits indicates the manufacturer order the week the appliance was manufactured. Now, let's look at the model number. On models manufactured 1981 and earlier, the second digit indicates the year the model was introduced. On models manufactured 1981 and later, the 8th digit of the model number indicates the year the model was introduced. Please keep in mind that the year the model was introduced does not indicate the production date. Also, this does not apply to Kenmore models. If you need any parts for your appliance, search with your model number on our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Let's look at some other examples. We took this tag from an Amana dryer. The second digit is an 8, which according to our chart means that this appliance was manufactured in 2018. The third and fourth digits are 04, meaning it was manufactured in the 4th week of 2018. Also, according to the 8th digit of the model number, this model was first introduced in 2015. This tag is from a Maytag refrigerator. The second, third, and fourth digits are 5, 3, and 1. This means the refrigerator is manufactured the 31st week of 2015. Also, according to the 8th digit of the model number, this model was first introduced in 2014. This tag is from a Whirlpool dishwasher. The second, third, and fourth digits are 8, 0, and 4. This means the dishwasher was manufactured in the 4th week of 2018. Also, according to the 8th digit of the model number, this model was first introduced in 2012. This tag is from a Kenmore washing machine. The second, third, and fourth digits are J, 3, and 4. This means the washing machine was manufactured in the 34th week of 1999. This tag is from a Roper dryer. The second, third, and fourth digits are L, 0, and 7. This means this dryer was manufactured in the 7th week of 2001. Also, according to the 8th digit in the model number, this model was first introduced in 2001. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this, or these, please consider subscribing.